hope I had your curiosity and now I have your attention. Welcome to another episode of Jimmy B Bricks. Before we get back to our build, let's go over some facts. On this week's episode, we go over what some consider the second wave of LEGO Speed Champions of 2025, first wave being the F1 collection. We now get the dual Lamborghini pack, the Revuelto and the Huracan STO, the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, the Porsche 911 GT3 RS, and the Bugatti 110, all released on August 1st. I decided to build the Porsche first as it got a lot of negative response for its front-end design, and I wanted to see for myself. The Porsche is priced at $26.99, and it marks its debut in the newer 8-stud wide LEGO Speed Champions design. Now, let's tune back to the shop. This set comes in 5 bags, 15 stickers, and 1 minifigure. Before we get to the front end, let's talk about the rear. I, for one, admire a good one, and the 911 Porsche leaves no disappointments. Learned a few new techniques, for instance the one used here to create the roof slope. And to add to the slope, this is the setup used prior to the previous pieces. It was refreshing to see a new set of hubcaps designs. Both options are acceptable. For now. And for my favorite part of the whole car, the wing. Nailed it, right on, it just complements the curves of the Porsche. Not much going on in the interior unfortunately, not even an attempt of a car seat. But good news is the minifig could not fit inside comfortably with the hairpiece and helmet. And lastly, the front end. Not close to real, not only disappointing, but questionable design. Lucky for me, time-lapse does not capture the amount of times I had to rebuild it. For me, it really missed the mark on the aggression. It looked more like the basic trim level of the 911. It lacked the bold and sharp lines that give the real car the intimidating presence. I guess some mods are going to be needed for this, that's for sure. But I do like the approach they did with the louvers here. Overall, not half bad. But let's take a closer look at the minifig included. Although expectations were not met after announcing the coming of this set, it was still needed for the collection, and what's LEGO without doing some mocks? Now, let's cue the photo shoot. Subscribe to my imagination as I share my LEGO builds ranging from Speed Champion sets, Marvel, Star Wars, and even custom designs, with a focus on race cars and garage builds and some of my favorite movies and shows. Well, that was our cue, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, even share this with a brickhead, and be sure to watch us on all their platforms for videos, photos, and LEGO news. Hope I earn your attention. Until next week, stay tuned.